Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working after update iOS 18. Okay, lot of iPhone user facing this kind of issue. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, you need to make sure that your iPhone connected with strong Wi-Fi. Okay, after confirm that, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to scroll down below to find Wi-Fi calling option. Okay, you can see appears on screen right now. There is no calling option showing here in iPhone iOS 18. Tap on apps. Okay, after tapping the apps, you need to scroll down below. Okay, tap on iPhone. You can see appears on screen here are showing Wi-Fi calling and this feature is off right now. Make sure this feature is turned on in your iPhone when you try to make a Wi-Fi calling feature. Okay, if that feature turn off, just turn it on, and after that you can easily fix that your Wi-Fi calling not working. Okay, if that method not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Volume up button, then volume down button, and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, so friends, by do 2 to 3 simple method, you can easily fix that your iPhone Wi-Fi calling not working after iOS 18. Hope this video is helpful for you. The video is helpful for you. Don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.